Okay. Come on. Oh, my Lord. Oh, that's just no, sir. Oh, my God. That is the biggest cry I've ever heard in my life. Oliver Joaquin, give me a break. She flowed. She flowed bad. That was the fakest cry, Oliver. Give me a break. You goofball. And you clip your nails, but you move around too much.
Good boy.
No. Oh, no. Oh, no, Sam. Oh, please. Stop faking. Stop faking. Stop faking. Stop faking. You're a faker. Faker. Okay.